Alright, so I guess I got my graphics in, my new plastics, so I'm gonna do a before. See the stock Triumph. Kind of just checking it out. Now the new kit is sick. I put it on the plastics. I got it in the house already. They are sick. I'm excited for you guys to see this. So these bad boys they go into storage so that whenever I sell it, they will be nice and pretty for the next guy. So this is the before. We'll check the after here in a bit. Boom, new graphics. Turned out pretty sweet. It turned out really cool. So it's black with the Triumph, but then you see in the background you can get the Triumph logo inset in the black. But at farther distances, it just looks black. It's freaking sick. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely one of the coolest kits I've had. And I've had the sparklies and all sorts of wild stuff. This one just looks so put together, well thought out. A lot better than a lot more creative than what I could come up with. I can come up with okay stuff, but this is sick. Graphics all in all went on pretty well. This brand, what is it? It's Doc's Designs. You can see there. Pretty good quality. I like it. They formed really well. The only thing, I do have a bunch of excess. I'm not doing radiator shroud graphics because I'm not running those. And then they did have some for the tank, like right here. And then there's one for up here. I'm not doing that to my tank. That just seems like it won't match next year's graphics, is what that seems. And then I did forget my engine ice ones, which I'm kind of disappointed because I love my engine ice. But they actually slip behind here and go right like that. But you can't see it, for one. And I missed the opportunity when the plastics were off, so I'm not gonna deal with those either. It's too bad because I love engine ice. Hopefully I still have it on my rear. Okay, we're good. Make sure we got all of the sponsors. I do still need to do my swing arms. So I'll go grab those real quick and we can follow along while we put the last finishing touches on. Alright. We'll just do this number. Wipe this off. I completely blasted my entire chain, so that's awesome. Love doing that. Take some Scotch-Brite, clean this up, see if we can get any oil out of the metal itself, in case somebody used WD to shine it up. I'm not really sure. Just kind of clean it up. It doesn't really matter if you get more dirt on. Ooh, looks like there were some stickers on before. There we go. Get some of this sticker residue off. Apparently from the last bike build that they had on it. Okay, there we go. It's nice and pretty. Sticker. line it up all nice and pretty. Something like that's about what I'm gonna want. It's kind of cold. I'm gonna toast that once we get it stuck. Okay. Kind of hope these are clear stickers and not that gray, but we'll see. Go. Not too shabby. Now we'll get the other side done, and then I'll come back at this with the hair dryer and really toast this bad boy on and get that graphics to set up and stick. But with it being a swing arm, let's be honest, that'll probably be knocked out in, I don't know, maybe 2 races. We'll have that destroyed. So we'll come over here and do this side now. A little alcohol. Scrub off any existing sticker residue is the main problem I'm trying to get, because it does look like there was some left over. But yeah, so I'm pretty impressed with the graphics. We're actually gonna, I put all these on to do this and shoot some pictures, but I'm actually gonna take all of it right back off, or the suspension. I'm taking the forks and the shocks off as soon as I finish this, and I'm taking those in to get revalved and sprung for me. I'm having Triumph Fort Wayne just knock it out. I'm gonna get me some new springs and do some light valving. I have the opportunity to use MX Tech or K Tech, their Pro valve, but I don't know if I really need that. And it's an extra $500 just for the parts for that extra valve, or that good valve. And I don't know if I am honestly good enough to notice a difference. I'm a vet C rider. I'm far from A, and there's a lot of people a lot better than me. But I have fun, and I just want to make sure that the bike is safe for me more than anything. Obviously, we want to be competitive. Can't be letting our buddies we go to the race with every weekend be smoking us. But all in all, I care more about making sure that I'm still good to go next weekend than winning. So just kind of slide this bad boy in, line you up there, and then I'm going to start at the hump this time. There we go. All right, so now what's left is go steal the girlfriend's hair dryer and go to town hitting those. I'll probably go over all of the graphics one more time just to make sure that they all are stuck nice and good. Yeah, really like the way the graphics were cut on these. No weird edges. I had a lot of that with my beta, The shroud had like a billion little flaps that you had to peel over. Didn't love it. Got a couple air bubbles. Not too bad. So yeah, I'm going to finish this up. Thanks for watching. Thanks for seeing the reveal. We're gonna hop our suspension off and get this thing strapped down to our stand and get ready for the suspension upgrade. Probably get suspension. I should get my new wheel in with that. And then I need to order some tires. I think we're gonna go with the Maxxis. I'm gonna be testing out the Kawasaki this weekend, but more than likely, I'll be throwing a set of Maxxis on the back unless I don't enjoy them this weekend. Going down to LC, Lawrence County Recreational Park, meeting a couple buddies down there. Gonna go get some seat time. So thanks for watching the reveal, and yeah, that's my Triumph 2025 TF250X. Yeah, it's the kit for this year.